What if one countertop appliance could replace your air fryer, toaster oven, dehydrator, and even your rotisserie cooker? Today, we're counting down 5 powerful air fryer ovens that can completely upgrade the way you cook at home. Faster meals, less oil, and fewer appliances on your counter. Make sure you stay until number 1, because the final pick might be the most versatile kitchen gadget on this list. Now, let us get started. Let us start with the most versatile option and top product on this list. The Chefman Multifunctional Air Fryer Oven is designed to replace several kitchen appliances with one powerful device. Instead of using separate machines for roasting, baking, air frying, and dehydrating, this oven combines everything into one compact system. And one feature immediately makes it stand out. The built-in rotisserie function slowly rotates food while it cooks. Imagine a whole chicken turning inside the oven, roasting evenly on every side until the outside becomes perfectly crispy while the inside stays juicy. But that is only the beginning. This oven can also air fry, bake, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Multiple cooking racks allow you to prepare different foods at the same time, so fries, vegetables, and chicken can cook together. The rapid air circulation system creates crispy textures while using far less oil than traditional frying. In everyday cooking, that means faster meals, healthier results, and fewer appliances crowding your counter. For anyone who wants convenience without sacrificing versatility, this appliance feels like a true kitchen upgrade. But the next gadget adds something even more convenient: smart technology. The Cosori Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven brings connected cooking into the modern kitchen. One of the most common frustrations while cooking is constantly checking the oven to make sure food is not overcooked. This appliance removes that stress completely. Using smart connectivity, you can control the oven directly from your smartphone. Through the companion application, you can adjust cooking settings, monitor progress, and receive notifications when your food is ready. But the smart features are only part of the story. The oven also includes multiple cooking modes, such as air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, dehydrating, and fermenting. Its powerful convection system distributes heat evenly, so food cooks faster while still achieving that crispy texture. In everyday use, this means you can start dinner while handling other tasks around the house. Instead of constantly checking the oven, you simply let the technology handle it. And once you experience that level of convenience, traditional ovens start to feel surprisingly outdated. Now, if you thought those gadgets were impressive, the next one focuses on something very important: capacity. The Emeril Lagasse extra-large air fryer convection oven is built for people who cook larger meals or enjoy hosting friends and family. Many air fryers are limited by small baskets. Cooking for more than 2 people often requires multiple batches, which slows everything down. This oven solves that problem with a spacious interior capable of handling a whole chicken, several trays of food, or even a large pizza. The convection cooking system circulates hot air throughout the oven, helping food cook evenly while creating that crispy texture people love. Another helpful feature is its digital control panel with preset cooking programs. Popular meals like pizza, chicken, steak, and baked dishes can be prepared with minimal guesswork. That means more consistent results and less time adjusting settings. For family meals, weekend cooking sessions, or entertaining guests, this appliance turns your countertop into a powerful mini cooking station. But the device coming up next might surprise you, especially if you enjoy precise cooking. The Nuwave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven is built for people who want real control in the kitchen. Many countertop ovens simply switch heating elements on and off, which often leads to uneven results. This oven takes a smarter approach. One of its most impressive features is independent control of the top and bottom heaters. That means you can fine-tune heat depending on what you're cooking. For example, you can boost bottom heat for a crispy pizza crust while keeping the top heat lower to melt the cheese perfectly. It also includes an integrated digital temperature probe that constantly monitors the internal temperature of your food and automatically stops cooking when the desired doneness is reached. With multiple cooking functions and a large 30-quart capacity, this oven makes everyday cooking far more precise and reliable.
And finally, we have a gadget that solves a problem many kitchens face: limited counter space. The Ninja Digital Air Fryer Countertop Oven is designed to deliver powerful cooking performance while keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. What makes it unique is its clever flip-up design. After you finish cooking, the entire oven flips vertically against the backsplash, freeing up valuable counter space instantly. But the smart design doesn't compromise functionality. This oven can air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, and even dehydrate food. Powerful convection airflow circulates heat quickly and evenly, helping meals cook faster while still achieving that crispy texture. In everyday use, that means preparing golden fries, roasted vegetables, or quick breakfast toast without waiting for a large oven to heat up. For smaller kitchens or anyone who wants efficiency without sacrificing space, this device feels like a smart and modern solution. Kitchen technology has evolved quickly, and gadgets like these show just how much easier everyday cooking can become. From smart ovens that connect to your phone to multifunction machines that replace several appliances, each of these devices offers a unique way to simplify your kitchen routine. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these gadgets would you actually use in your home? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed discovering these innovative kitchen tools, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next gadget that could upgrade your everyday life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.